Hello, everybody, and welcome to week 7 of hybrid zoology. This week, we are diving into all of the different animal phyla, starting with the most primitive animals, sponges and jellies. Just some reminders and announcements. The expectation is that you take notes as you watch videos in Edpuzzle. You can print them, handwrite them, you can make a copy of the document that I provide to you to take notes and type them. You can use your own notebooks. However you want to do it is up to you, but you need to take notes. Many of you are upperclassmen and thinking about going to college one day. You're going to need to take notes in college, so start taking notes. For copies of notes, a new folder has been posted with all the notes on simple animals. I have not picked a date for a test yet, but there will be a test sometime before the term ends on November 13th. I will let you know more about that as we get closer, but just have it on your radar that we will be having a test before the end of the quarter. The objectives for this week are students will be able to describe the anatomy of sponges and cnidarians. You are going to be doing a lot of data analysis this week. You're going to be analyzing behavioral data in order to determine whether jellyfish are predators. You're going to analyze some data and make conclusions about an experiment on coral bleaching. And in class, we're going to do a lab where we will make some observations on hydras and sponges using microscopes. Here's the agenda for the week. Today, you're going to watch the Edpuzzle video on sponges and cnidarians and take notes. Then you are going to complete the Are Cnidarians Predators activity, and there's a video that goes along with that with some directions. On your remote day, you will do an activity on coral bleaching. So you will read a little bit about coral bleaching and why it's a problem and what causes it, and then you will analyze data from a real experiment about coral bleaching. Then when we are in class, we will do a lab on sponges and hydras using the microscope and also some YouTube videos since we don't have any actual living specimens. But we'll make some observations on those. And then if we have time in class, we'll do another activity on jellyfish populations that are growing in numbers, and we'll do an investigation as to why. As always, if you have any questions at all about these assignments, please send me an email.